Actually, it's like my second time coming here for Pakistan to attend the Expo Pakistan. I'm feeling very well. The atmosphere is very good. The security it's very perfect and nice. The expo it's well organized. But I have only one comment about this. That's we need more factories to be represented here at the expo because we're hearing about the major and big company available in all over Pakistan. But when we come to the expo, we didn't find them, so we have to contact them through phones and meeting them outside. The meeting is very good and the people is very helpful and they willing to do the best they can do. Starting for the Commercial Council in Egypt and the people for the Chamber of Commerce in Karachi and the TDAB people. Every people trying to cooperate and do the best which they can to provide the potential and the new future for the Pakistan trade. And God will help them, of course. We are coming here for two reasons: as a delegation for the first time, and we came here to make some kind of deals of some Pacific companies. We are dealing, for my side, we are dealing at rice and shrimp and frozen beef. We buy it from here also, and also we under discussion about the weight. To get a big quantity of wheat from Pakistan to Egypt for the first time. Only the wheat will finish the discussion today night at the hotel. But the other items we already found the finest producer or the finest supplier who can supply us at time and with the high quality which we are looking for. And it will be a long run relationship, inshallah.